Hello students, this is exercise number 18 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine, November 2021, on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Honorable members, the tribal brothers and sisters have benefited greatly in the near future from this initiative. Works related to marketing of forest products and setting up of small businesses dependent on forest produce, which are the mainstay of livelihood for the tribal community, are also in progress. As a result of these efforts, an additional amount of rupees 600 crore has accrued to the tribal families. Government has increased the MSP on 46 types of forest produce by up to 90%. The advancement of modern technology in India and easy access of every Indian to modern technology are important indicators of progress towards the goal of an Atmanirbhar Bharat, while maintaining the requirement of do gaj ki duri. The institutions and citizens of our country did not allow the pace of growth to slacken by leveraging the power of digital India. In December 2020, digital transactions of more than rupees 4 lakh crore have been done through UPI. Today, more than 200 banks are linked to the UPI system. Similarly, DigiLocker is being used as a paperless platform for more than 400 crore digital documents. Through the Umang app too, crores of citizens are availing more than 2000 services. More than 3.5 lakh common service centers are linking people in rural areas to government services. In the same vein, e-stamp service has been launched after amending the Indian Stamp Act. The trinity of Jan Dhan accounts, Aadhaar and mobile has helped safeguard the rights of people. Because of the JAM trinity, rupees 180,000 crore have been saved from falling into wrong hands. My government has also initiated digitization of medical services through the Rashtriya Digital Health Mission. The citizens will be able to avail facilities like digital appointments, digital reports, as well as digital health records through this mission in the coming days. Our parliament is an important medium for ensuring increased engagement of citizens in the democratic process and in fulfilling the aspirations of a new India. During the tenure of previous governments and in the Houses of Parliament, it has been repeatedly mentioned that the existing building is proving to be insufficient to meet our present day requirements. Efforts had been made by previous governments also for a new parliament building. It is a happy coincidence that the construction of a new Parliament House has commenced for better facilities to members. Honorable members, the pace at which citizens of this country have assimilated technology and change is a testimony to the eagerness with which every Indian is waiting to see the country reach new heights. Keeping in mind the aspirations of the people, my government has been taking speedy decisions and is implementing long awaited reforms in every sector of the economy. Besides facilitating faceless tax assessment and appeal, several provisions of the Companies Act have been decriminalized by my government. in order to encourage entrepreneurship. A GIS based database of industrial zones has been created to enable delivery of essential services to industries. Information pertaining to more than 5 lakh hectares of industrial land is available through this database. I am happy that espousing the sentiment of Shramev Jayate, both houses of parliament have taken a decision to bring about a transformation in the lives of the labor force. 29 central labor laws have been amalgamated into 4 labor codes. States have also displayed initiative in bringing about these labor reforms. These reforms will result in expansion in the scope of labor welfare, timely payment of wages to laborers, and generation of new employment opportunities. The new labor codes also ensure enhanced and a more equitable participation of the female workforce. Along with labor, easy availability of capital is also crucial for industries. For this, the banking system in the country is being strengthened. Merger of small banks to create large and strong banks is also a step in this direction. For the first time in the country, a production linked incentive scheme worth about rupees 1.5 lakh crore is being implemented in 10 manufacturing sectors. Its impact is already visible in manufacturing of electronic goods as well as other products. As a result of this initiative, many large national and international companies have started their operations in India. My government is encouraging public participation in consumption of domestically manufactured goods. Today, vocal for local has become a people's movement in the country. Efforts are being made to inculcate an emotional attachment for goods manufactured in India while at the same time ensuring that they are of high quality. Continuous steps are being taken to improve ease of doing business in India. In this regard, healthy competition amongst states is being encouraged. It is matter of immense pleasure that states too are appreciating the importance of improving the ranking and are participating in this wholeheartedly. The country has also started emerging from the economic setback suffered in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic when the focus was primarily on saving the life of each Indian citizen.